Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, November 11th. Now I said on Thursday that for my expectation for Friday in the NASDAQ market was unchanged to higher. I expected not a dramatic move, but actually a market that could possibly give us a rest. That would be fine. But I would be looking for strength as we went into the weekend. Well, let's take a peek at what happened. If you haven't seen this yet, what I said here just a minute ago is not exactly what happened. We didn't see unchanged to higher. In fact, we saw a market that backed off. So these benchmark candles remain dominant, and we see this market backing off a bit. Well, what about Friday? And it was due to, NASDAQ led the way down here for these indices, and has things to do with valuations, and people feel the valuations are out of alignment right now. Well, what about Friday? And my feeling for Friday is people do not want to go home short. Some people sell this also. And I think we would expect to see some profit taking as we went into the weekend, and that is what I'm looking for. Small body candle, maybe a shadow on the bottom. I think that would make sense. Also, I'm looking for continuation to the upside of that euro. I'm bearish on the dollar, as I mentioned to you yesterday. Unchanged to higher is what we're looking for. It gave us that kind of behavior, and I'm looking for the same thing on Friday. I think we're going to have confidence as we go into the weekend. The 10-year note gave us a nice little push here to the upside. That makes sense when you think about what happened to the stock market. We're seeing capital flow in between those two complexes. But what about Friday's action? I'm looking for unchanged type behavior. In gold, we did move a bit higher. If it could have closed up a little bit towards that 1330, that would be perfect, but we didn't do that. I'm still looking for this movement to the upside. Not a dramatic move going into the weekend, but I am looking for strength as we go into the weekend. In the crude oil market, I said we're looking for a rest day, an unchanged type day, and that's what yesterday gave us. I'm looking for more of the same as we go into the weekend for that market. And when it comes to soybeans, unchanged to lower, no problemo, but am I looking for strong movement here to the downside on Friday? I am not. I'm looking for a sideways move for our friend Mr. Bean. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.